Best garage door efficiency and comfort today. It also protects your belongings from extreme temperatures. We will guide you to make an informed choice. The right insulation kit will improve your garage's function and feel. Stay tuned to find the perfect solution for your needs. Let's dive into the best garage door insulation kits. List number 1. Barrier 3009 Garage Door Insulation Kit. Transform your garage with the Reach Barrier 3009 Garage Door Insulation Kit. Silver panels block up to 95% of radiant heat. Save energy effortlessly with easy assembly and lightweight design. Adhesive pads ensure a secure fit. Includes 8 bubble insulation panels for optimal efficiency. Enjoy a cooler, more comfortable space year-round. Advantages. Enjoy significant energy savings with the Reach Barrier 3009 Insulation Kit. Block up to 95% of radiant heat effectively and efficiently. Install with ease using the included adhesive pads and simple assembly. Appreciate the lightweight design, making handling and installation a breeze. Benefit from 8 bubble insulation panels for comprehensive garage. List number 2. Corning Garage Door Insulation Kit. Transform your garage with the Owens Corning Garage Door Insulation Kit. This kit helps maintain comfortable temperatures year-round. Easy to install, it fits most standard garage doors. Reduce noise and enhance energy efficiency effortlessly. Durable materials ensure long-lasting performance. Enjoy a quieter, more comfortable garage space today. Advantages. Garage stays warmer in cold weather. Insulation keeps heat inside. Noise level decreases significantly with insulation. Enjoy a quieter environment. Energy bills become more manageable. Insulation reduces heat loss. Installation is straightforward. Easy to follow instructions included. Durable materials ensure longevity. High-quality insulation lasts years. Our recommendations. List number 3. Nasatec White Reflective Foam Core TwoCar Garage Door. Transform your garage with the Nasatec White Reflective Foam Core Insulation Kit. This kit fits doors up to 18 feet wide and 8 feet high, making it perfect for most two-car garages. Experience enhanced energy efficiency with an impressive R value of 8.0. Crafted in the USA, it includes improved heavy-duty double-sided tape for easy installation. Enjoy a more comfortable garage environment all year round. Advantages. Keeps your garage cool and energy efficient. Reflects sunlight effectively. Easy installation with heavy-duty, double-sided tape. Hassle-free setup. Improves comfort and reduces noise. A quieter garage space. Fits standard and oversized garage doors. Versatile and adaptable. Durable and made in the USA. Long-lasting quality assurance. List number 4. Matador EP132305402 SGDIK002 Garage Door. Transform your garage with the Matador EP132305402 SGDIK002 Garage Door Insulation Kit. This kit helps maintain a comfortable temperature. Easy to install, it fits perfectly on your garage door. Keep your space quieter and more energy efficient. The white finish adds a clean, sleek look to your garage. Advantages. Make your garage more comfortable with Matador's insulation kit. This kit helps keep the temperature stable inside. No more freezing cold or sweltering heat. Save money on energy bills. Insulation reduces heating and cooling costs. Your garage stays cozy without using extra energy. Reduce outside noise. Insulation absorbs sound from outside. Enjoy a quieter space for work or hobbies. List number 5. XP Garage Door Insulation Panels Kit 0.24 foot. Enhance your garage comfort with the 16P Garage Door Insulation Panels Kit. These panels feature double bubble reflective aluminum foil. Keep out winter cold and summer heat effortlessly. Each panel measures 24 inches by 48 inches and includes 120 tapes. Ideal for attics, garages, and walls. Enjoy a more pleasant indoor environment all year round. Advantages. Enhanced energy efficiency reduces heating and cooling costs significantly. Easy installation process suitable for most standard garages. Durable material ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. Reflective aluminum foil improves thermal insulation effectiveness. Versatile usage perfect for attics, garages, and walls.